strong, independent woman. Again, what does it mean to be a strong, independent woman?
Good afternoon. There are many definitions of strength, maybe, but I believe that the most fitting definition of a strong, independent woman is somebody who knows her purpose and somebody who knows her core. Because when somebody knows what they're meant to do and what they want to do for the rest of their life, they'll be able to force to do it beautifully, as long as they pursue the dreams and make sure that they leave an impact on their communities as well. Thank you.
Thank you.